Hey guys, welcome back to TechWize. Please consider subscribing, it will mean a lot. So, Samsung has recently faced a lot of news leak about their new smartphones, and they finally decided to confirm the official launch date of their new smartphone lineup, the Galaxy S21, S21 Ultra, and the S21 Plus. The major leak happened due to their largest Samsung store in India, and they have confirmed that the new S21 series will be announced globally on January 14th, and the worldwide sale for this flagship series will start from January 29th. Until then, Samsung fans can pre-order the phone from their official store and book their slots for as little as $30. The customers who manage to pre-order will for sure get some goodies, which might include the Galaxy Buds Pro. However, there are rumors that Samsung might not ship a charger with the phone out of the box. We do hope it's not true, but so far some sources have confirmed this news. Let us know in the comment section below what do you think about this bold step by Samsung. As for the specs, the Indian store has confirmed these phones will come with the Exynos processor for the international market. The powerful Exynos 2100 will be rocking this new Galaxy series lineups outside the US, China, Canada, and South Korea market. Samsung has realized their failure with the Exynos 990 in the previous Galaxy Note 20 series and seen how fans were disappointed, which is why Samsung is planning its big move with the Exynos 2100 for the upcoming S21 models. According to popular Twitterati Ice Universe, the Exynos 2100 will perform way faster in comparison to Snapdragon 888. We have also heard rumors about the official launch of Exynos 2100 before the end of the year. Also, the most speculated ultrasonic fingerprint scanner should also be included with the S21 series. Even though it was one of the most expected features with the Galaxy S20 lineup, but for some reason we didn't get to see that. And now Samsung will finally bring the features for the first time in the market. This ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is supposed to be so much faster that you won't even have to press your finger hard against the screen, and single tap should unlock your phone faster enough. These last minute S21 leaks are quite fascinating and getting me excited to experience the phone in hand. And about the S Pen, it is also coming exclusively with the S21 Ultra with some pretty exciting functions. However, rumors have confirmed that Samsung is now stopping air actions, which means you won't be able to do certain functions like scrolling around just by waving the S Pen or changing the menu of the camera application. I believe Samsung is taking off the most gimmicky features just to make sure the S Pen is more efficient. Well, we will see how it will perform. Most fundamental S Pen features will still be there with 9 millisecond delay, and also what you expect from the S Pen will still be there to serve you. We are also hearing some pretty beefy specs for the camera of the upcoming S21 series. Keep your eyes on the channel for more updates on these. So guys, that was it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. We'll catch you guys in the next one.